In a beautiful garden, something magical was happening. A chrysalis was opening. Meet Maya, a brand new monarch butterfly with bright rainbow wings.
Wow! Everything looks so amazing! I have so many questions. Whoa!
Maya took her very first flight, ready to explore and learn.
This flower is so beautiful! I wonder why flowers have so many colors.
She spotted Mr. B, who was very busy working on the flower.
Excuse me, Mr. B. Can you tell me why flowers are so colorful? Great question! Flowers are colorful so insects like us can find them easily. We visit them for sweet nectar, and we spread their pollen to help new flowers grow.
This important job is called pollination. It helps plants make seeds and grow.
Thank you, Mr. B. That's so cool. I'm gonna keep exploring.
As Maya flew along, she noticed something sparkly between two branches.
What a beautiful web! I wonder how it was made. Hello there, little butterfly. I made this web myself. It's amazing. But why is it so sticky? My web is sticky to catch insects for food. But watch closely. I walk on these special support threads that aren't sticky at all. I made this entire web using silk that comes from my own body. Pretty neat, right? That's incredible! You're like a tiny artist and engineer. Thanks, Spider.
Maya continued her journey and discovered even more friends in the garden.
Hello.
I help keep the soil healthy by mixing it up and adding nutrients.
And we, birds, fly south for winter to find food where it's warmer.
Maya learned that leaves change color in fall because they stop making chlorophyll.
Wow! There's so much to learn about our world!
As the sun began to set, Maya felt tired but very happy.
What an amazing day! My brain is full of new knowledge.
Just then, a wise old owl hooted softly from a nearby tree.
You asked wonderful questions today, young butterfly.
I did! And every answer made me want to ask even more questions.
Asking questions is how we understand our world. That's the most important lesson.
Tomorrow I'll ask even more questions and learn even more things.
And so Maya closed her eyes, dreaming of all the discoveries waiting for her. Remember, being curious and asking questions helps us all learn and grow. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun learning adventures.